Okay, I need some answers. Where am I?
It's a unique Airbnb experience.
Oh, okay. Hey, what's up, you guys? My name's Lindsay, and you're watching my channel, A Sight to See, and today we're in Camelot. Technically, it's Morrison, Colorado at the Cliff House Lodge, but it's Camelot. So, right off the bat, one of the things that I love the most about this room is all the attention to detail. I can honestly say it felt like Camelot when I walked in here. Let's dive a little bit deeper. First and foremost, you get this super awesome giant king-size bed, and that is not the only thing in this room for your comfort. I can't even tell you how many times I've wanted to take cute pictures on one of these Victorian couches, and now I can. I'd say one of the most comfortable places in here is right behind me, but first, we're gonna cook a medieval dinner. We're gonna start by grabbing our medieval ingredients from our medieval fridge. All right, so back in the days of Camelot, they mainly ate meat and vegetables, so that's what we're having for dinner. So I absolutely love that I have a full kitchen to work with. Got stuff to cook with, got silverware, got a stove, got a fridge. Haven't been in many Airbnbs that have had all of that. So there might not be a place to sit and eat like a dining room table, but you have this counter where you can have the food right at face level, which is what you need, right? Oh my god, that meal was so good and I am so full, so it's time to relax. And there is actually there's two awesome ways we can do that here. First, I have to get changed. Alright, you guys, I have been so excited to try out this bathtub since I got in here, so let's see how it works. So what is any relaxing bathtub without a chalice, right? So I'm just going to pour my 21st century mead into my 21st century chalice. I think my bath's ready. Oh, it's a nice way. I need jets. Is this jets? This is the most relaxing thing. Like, if you just want a really cool tub in your room, rent this room because this is awesome. Okay, but the main reason that I'm taking this bath right now is because the rule before you get in your private outdoor hot tub is that you need to take a shower or a bath. So I figured I would start with a nice little relaxing bubble bath, and then I will make my way out to the hot tub to enjoy all of this place's beautiful amenities. Okay, so we're switching to the GoPro because it's really cold outside and it's gonna be wet and I don't wanna carry my good camera, but let's go check out this hot tub. Oh my goodness. It changes color. Oh my god. This is so nice. And the best part is that like this is your own private hot tub and like nobody can see you. Y'all, so far this Airbnb 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Good morning, you guys. Okay, so after the hot tub last night, I kind of just stayed in there the rest of the night until way too past when one should stay in a hot tub, but it was literally so nice to have my own little private patio and to just see the stars and be in a hot tub surrounded by mountains, like absolutely beautiful. So when you get here, there's these menus on the tables to fill out for breakfast the next morning to be prepared by their chef, and they bring it to your room. So we got scrambled eggs, we got French toast, we got hash browns, we got smoothies. It was literally so good. And they brought it on this big tray and it was just so fancy. We also had amazing French press coffee. I think that's really cool that they have a French press here. Okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. This room is quite expensive. It was $244 for the night, but we are in a very rich part of Colorado, and that's kind of like the average price, but it is a little more unique, so it is gonna be a bit above the other ones, but to be honest, it's completely worth it. Like, I probably won't experience anything like this again, and honestly, that hot tub and that bathtub totally made it worth the price. Can't say I have really any complaints about this room. There is a little bit of wear and tear. Things are clearly a little bit older and they've been around. It's not like a modern medieval times. It's definitely been around for a while. And the other weird thing is the door to the bathroom. I wish there was more of like a stable door, especially if you're traveling with friends, but I think those are the only two things that I could really say are bad about this place. Right, well, it's time for me to take my long trek back to Denver. Thank you guys for joining me on this episode of Most Unique Airbnb, and I will catch y'all on the next one.